Are you struggling with geometry? Need some help with Praxis Mathematics 5165 geometry, translations, rotations, reflections, dilations, sequence of transformations, congruence? You have come to the right channel. My name is Tom, a test prep expert here at Study.com and a certified secondary teacher. I will walk you through some of the types of problems you will see on this test. In this video, I will give you sample problems including translations, rotations, dilations, and reflections. Don't forget to pause the video and try these on your own. Okay, let's get started. A triangle with vertices at A12, B32, and C25 is translated using the vector 4, -1. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? Okay, in order to do a translation, our vector is giving us direction. So that means our points are going to be translated +4 for the x-coordinate. So we add 4 to the x-coordinate and -1 to the y-coordinate. All right, so they want us to translate point C. So that means that C prime, which would be the translated point, would be 2 + 4 for the x and 5 + -1 for the y-coordinate. So that would give us C prime is 6, 4. So the answer here would be choice A. A triangle is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 1/2. If one vertex of the triangle is at 6, -8, what are the coordinates of its image? Okay, so a scale factor, what we do is we multiply to the point. So what's going to happen here is we're going to take 1/2 times 6 and 1/2 times -8 to get our new point that is scaled. So half of 6 is 3, half of -8 is -4. So the answer here would be choice C. Point A, -1,6, is rotated 180 degrees about the origin. What is the image of point A? All right, in order to do a rotation 180 degrees about the origin, the rules of rotation of 180 degrees would be general coordinate xy becomes -x, -y. So we're just taking the opposite of the x and y coordinate. So in this case here, point A is -1,6. So that means that A prime would be the opposite of -1, 1, and the opposite of 6, -6. So our answer would be 1, -6, choice D. If point M, 4, -2, is reflected over the y-axis, what are the coordinates of the image? All right, in order to do a reflection over the y-axis, what happens is if we have coordinate xy, we take the opposite of the x-coordinate. So our new coordinate reflected over the y-axis would be -xy. So the y-coordinate is going to stay the same, but the x becomes opposite. So if we had M, 4, -2, our new point would be M prime, take the opposite of x, so we get -4, and y stays the same, -2. So the correct answer would be C. Okay, that concludes the video on Praxis Mathematics 5165 geometry, translations, rotations, reflections, dilations, sequence of transformations, congruence. Did you try the problems? Let me know how you did in the comments. For more practice, check out our Praxis Mathematics 5165 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.